Phase 3 Autofab Limited is a 24-year-old company. With the share price at Rs 133 as on 3rd January 2022, it's a small size company with the market cap of Rs 141 crore. Even though with few setbacks over the years where the company incurred losses and lately with improved return on equity over the past few years, the company promoters are still strong on their faith about the company's business, operation, and profitability, which is reflected by their increased shareholding in the company considering past 1 year. All this seems good for the promoter, but what about new investors planning to invest in this company? With a stock price of Rs 133 as on 3rd January 2022, the stock of the company appear to be very overvalued as of now, especially after considering that the company is a small scale company and is trying to improve its operational efficiency. Even if one is ready to consider its small size and slow rate of earning growth, considering a long period of time, and feels optimistic about this company's future, I will be of the view that he or she should wait for the share price to correct and not hurry to invest in its stock so that he or she can lower his risk of loss by entering at a more reasonable price. Also, as of now, since the stock is listed only on Bombay Stock Exchange, an investor should invest more cautiously, especially if he is planning to hold big quantity of its stock, as it adds risk of liquidating the stock at times of correction or when you are in need of capital.